Hi traders, Ken Calhoun from TradeMastery.com here with the channel that's dedicated to helping you become more successful in your trades. Now in this episode we're going to take a look at Bitcoin related stocks and ETFs like GBTC. There's been so much talk in the media lately and explosive runs up in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets. It really makes sense to take a look at how to potentially capitalize on that coming up. Now, if you're new to the whole idea of Bitcoin, you may have heard about it, but not really sure what it's all about. The first thing that comes to mind is, is it a bubble? Is it BS? Or is there actually a bonanza or profit potential out there? And the answer is probably somewhere in the middle of all of that. It certainly feels like it's been in a bubble, but so is the stock market and the S&P the last couple of years. It's been running up year after year. So one thing I found as a real money trader over the many years I've traded is that trends usually continue much further than you may think. So it does make sense to pay attention to some of the opportunities and the risks, very high risk involved in Bitcoin related stocks. I put it in the whole general category of things like penny stocks or IPOs. It's speculative. It's something that none of us know a whole lot about because it's only been around a few years. So it makes sense to proceed with caution. But there's so many opportunities out there, we'd be doing ourselves a disservice to completely ignore Bitcoin. So let's take a look at some of these charts that I went over for my Trading Week Ahead broadcast that I just recorded today for everybody in this quick segment. Hello traders, and welcome to an early bird special edition of our Trading Week Ahead broadcast. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin stocks and ETFs, quickly going over some of the very best high volatility breakout patterns in Bitcoin related stocks and ETFs. As always, all information is for educational use only. I'm not making any advice about what to buy, sell, or hold, and by watching the screen out to make actual trades. Use a demo account and learn this stuff. So Bitcoin's been in the news quite a bit, and leading the pack is our GBTC ETF. There's many others that are benefiting from the meteoric rise in Bitcoin, and we want to say exactly what the charts are that make sense in this very strong sector. So let's take a look at some of these charts and what they've done on a 90-day chart basis, just to take a look at the top-down look. GBTC, it's gone from a low of 700 to a high of 2,700, and this is mostly just in the last couple months. So spectacular breakout. Another good volatile one is MGTI, a cheap instrument that's doubled, going from $1.50 up to $4. Again, these are very speculative, and so these would be for more experienced traders only, but they've got really good price action momentum. Another good Bitcoin-related stock is Overstock, OSTK, taking out new highs just under 70. One of my traders, Barry, had told me about Riot in the live room, and wanted to thank him for that. This guy's gone from 8 to 32. What a run. And again, with any of these, what I like to do is a small size initial trade so that you can survive a pullback without it taking out a major stop. So anyway, Riot's another good one, running up sharply. Another good one, GROW in the cheap stock sector, it just doubled right the last few weeks, going from 2.5 up to 6. Another one is SRAX. What I like about this chart is also its volatility, going from a base of 2, maybe $1.50, right? Way down here near $1.25, all the way up to 8. So from $1 to 8, what a run. And now it's in trouble pulling back, but we'll see if it comes back to life as well. And thanks to a trader here, Greg was telling me, Chinese Bitcoin XNET, another big run up and pullback. So a lot of these may be worth considering for bounce plays or for breakout continuations. GBTC being the one that has shown the best sustainable without a major pullback chart pattern, though it's really pricey up at 2,700. It'll be interesting to see what the futures roll out, and hopefully at some point other ETFs and options chains for these instruments look like when they're available. So do be aware of these at least. Do put them on your watch list of instruments that are worth considering for speculative runs. GBTC, MGTI, OSTK, Riot, Grow, SRAX, XNet. There are undoubtedly others, but we do want to start off by looking at GBTC as one of our key Bitcoin potential plays coming up. It's been in the news so much lately. I don't like trading on unregulated exchanges or over-the-counter, that kind of stuff. So we do want to be cautious, and instead of trading the underlying cryptocurrency itself, we may want to go after some of the stocks and ETFs that are poised to position from it or directly impacted by Bitcoin's meteoric rise in price action. So do be aware of our Bitcoin-related stocks and ETFs. We'll cover more on this in an upcoming session, but that's what I wanted to get started with, is some of the outstanding, amazing price volatility in these instruments, right? Just do the math on how it could have worked had you taken a shot at some of these. So I'm Ken Calhoun. Thanks for taking a look at our Bitcoin coverage here as a bonus before our regularly scheduled Trading Week Ahead broadcast. And that'll do it for another episode of my trading vlog here for our TradeMastery.com traders. For more, be sure to visit www.trademastery.com. If you are a stock swing trader, you may want to try swingscans.com. If you trade small cap, under $10 stocks, go to smallcapscans.com. And if you're a stock day trader, you may want to try my popular live room at www.tradingtheopen.com. So until next time, you know the watchwords. Be cautious out there. Look for some of the strongest charts, not only in Bitcoin, but other instruments. And how are you going to play it intelligently with very tight risk management? So trade with passion, trade with really tight stops, play the field, and let's go get them. Take care, and best wishes for success in your active trades.
Great job, Ken. You were amazing. Hi traders, we hope you liked this Trade Mastery video with Ken. Go ahead and subscribe to Ken's YouTube channel and post your comment or question in the area below. Thanks for watching and good trading!